To cancel Netflix billed through Xfinity X1, start by pressing the Xfinity button on your remote. Then navigate to the Settings section and find the Add-ons menu. Select Netflix from the menu that appears. A confirmation screen will appear. Simply confirm the cancellation. Remember, this only stops billing through Xfinity and doesn't delete your Netflix account. You'll keep access until the end of your current billing cycle. Your Netflix access will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Xfinity also offers the option to pause your Netflix subscription for up to 3 months, accessible in the same Manage Add-ons area. If you're not seeing the Netflix cancellation option, or you're being billed directly by Netflix, you'll need to cancel via the Netflix website instead of through Xfinity. Also, be aware of subscription fatigue. Many Xfinity subscribers cancel Netflix add-ons per year, so make sure you want to cancel Netflix.